वेलकम टू फॉरेंसिक एंथ्रोपोलॉजी लेक्चर सीरीज। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ डीएनए फ्रॉम बोन्स, which serves as a powerful tool for identifying highly decomposed, burnt, or skeletonized remains when soft tissues are no longer available. चलिए लेक्चर शुरू करते हैं। Bones are rigid as they protect DNA from heat, water, microbial attack, environmental decay। इसके साथ ही टीथ, जिसमें डेंटिन और पल्प कैविटी होती है, इवन बेटर प्रोटेक्शन देन बोन। 1. Femur shaft, diaphysis, dense cortical bone. 2. Teeth, in which molars are the best. 3. Petrous part of temporal bone. Try to avoid highly porous bones as they are fast in terms of degradation. आओ देखते हैं डीएनए एक्सट्रैक्शन के स्टेप्स कौन-कौन से हैं। 1. Cleaning and sanding, which involves removal of contamination causing agent. 2. Bone pulverization, in which cryogenic grinding of bone into fine powder is seen. 3. Decalcification, EDTA used, removes calcium, releases DNA. 4. Lysis, proteins broken down, involves DNA released. 5. Purification methods include silica column, phenol chloroform, magnetic bead extraction. अब देखते हैं एक्सट्रैक्शन के बाद क्या होगा। टेक्निक इन्फो obtained includes STR profiling of individual and DNA profile along with mtDNA sequencing. YSTR male lineage if male suspected, and real-time PCR also helps to determine DNA quantity and degradation. Some common challenges include environmental damage, hydrolysis, oxidation, soil bacteria degrade bone collagen and DNA, PCR inhibitors present in burned bones that might cause hindrance, contamination from handling and excavation, allelic dropout in degraded samples. Heteroplasmy complicates mtDNA interpretation. Forensic applications include disaster victim identification as done in case of earthquakes, plane crashes, missing persons cases, mass graves, human rights investigations, burned, mutilated, skeletal remains, historical and archaeological ID, for example, royal remains. Thanks a lot for watching the lecture and being with us.